Their journey culminates here on this their stage.
Tonight, one of these outstanding ladies will take the crown and carry the legacy forward. Arena.
Crowning moment na,
Are
guys.
you ready?
Okay, I can't believe I'm saying this, but the results are now in. The selection committee have made their decision, and we are seconds away from unveiling the next Miss Universe Philippines. May I have the results from the official validator from consultancy firm Tax Services Inc., represented by attorney Adrian Bustos, with results overseen by certified public accountant Miss Delene Hernandez.
Oh my God, kinakabahan ako. Ahtisa or
Thank
Stacey
you,
for me.
attorney Adrian Bustos. This is it! Who among our top 5 will take home the crown tonight? Ladies, good luck! Woo!
Let's go!
Oh! So excited now, I'm nervous. Okay, here we go. Our Miss Universe 2024 fourth runner-up is...
Baguio.
Taguig!
Ay, Taguig. Okay. Ganda ng pa-bouquet nila.
Miss Universe Philippines 2024 third runner-up is...
Baguio.
Baguio!
Stacey or Ahtisa?
Three ladies left. Our Miss Universe 2024 second runner-up is...
Bulacan.
Quezon Province!
Oh. Oh my God. Stacey yan.
Okay, 2 ladies remain, and only one will be crowned Miss Universe Philippines 2024. The Miss Universe Philippines title holder will receive the Mega World Samrita Award. She will also become an ambassador of the Philippine Airlines, Gel Life, Cream Silk, Search Fitness Lifestyle, PLDT Home, and Ingo Plus. Arena, Philippines, ladies, are you ready for this priceless moment? Harmony, you're right, this moment right here. This is it, you guys, and we are all going to witness one night as we crown the new Miss Universe Philippines!
Stacey.
Miss Universe Philippines will be crowned with the Lumiere and Majestic Crown from Julimer, embellished with golden South Sea pearls, considered as the Queen of Gems. Each living pearl is a testament to Filipinos' heritage, rarity, uniqueness, and diversity, a symbol of wisdom and enlightenment, emanating the grandeur of a national treasure. Okay, Mara Arena, I want to know, who do you think is going to take home the crown? The name we will announce first is our
I'm so tense and
Me
excited.
too. Oh my gosh. Whew.
Ladies and gentlemen, the moment of truth. Our Miss Universe Philippines 2024 is...
Kain ka. Kain ka.
Bulacan!
Oh my
Now,
God.
the first runner-up is Kaita.
Yay. Si Emerson, kilala ko yun. Si Emerson. Taga sa amin to, si Emerson.
Wow, I love it.
Galing.
This is it. Please take your first one as Miss Universe Philippines 2024. You did it.
Ganda niya, no? Wala ang blackboard.
Let's give a big round of applause to our new set of Miss Universe Philippines Queens. Congratulations, this is Al Richards.
And I am Tim Yap. Let me just say, I am so happy because tonight we can really see how the Filipinos unite.
Wow, grabe. Grabe, hindi ko to inaasahan, guys, no? Wow, congratulations, Bulacan. Grabe ka. Actually, maganda talaga siya eh. Tapos, stand out po yung beauty niya, no? Tapos, gustong-gusto ko yung color niya. And then, yung pagsagot niya, grabe. Ang galing din naman, napakatalino. And, yeah. Congratulations ulit. Alright? Kung nagustuhan niyo to, guys, bigyan niyo ito malaking like. Mag-comment kayo kung meron kayong mga request na bigyan pwede kong gawin dito sa akin channel. You know, bye!